I know, you have been very eagerly waiting for this video, but wait no more guys. In a couple of minutes, I'm gonna be showing you what are the changes you will see in the upcoming Windows, that is Windows 11. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Starting off with the wallpaper, finally Microsoft ditched their tradition of having a Windows themed wallpaper. Now many people will like it, many will dislike it, but to be honest, this new wallpaper looks something new and refreshing. The next change is the taskbar. If you look carefully, you will notice the taskbar got a bit taller, and this is why now you get to see the day in time and date section. In the taskbar, you also get to see the new icons for the apps and a new start icon or Windows logo. Earlier, the Windows logo used to look like this, but now it has become like this. It looks just like the Microsoft logo, but only in blue. The start menu also got a completely new look. You get to see new and updated icons for almost every app, and now you don't see the translucent box effect around the pinned apps anymore. And here's the search. It also got a complete redesign which looks more simple and minimalistic. Did you guys notice something? Now you get the taskbar icons in the center. This is a very demanded feature for so long, and finally Microsoft has done it. Don't worry, if you like the left alignment, you can still go to the settings and left align it. Next is the Windows Explorer. It also got some nice changes, and the very first change is the updated icons. It looks completely new and refreshing with the updated icons. Moreover, the windows itself have rounded edges now. Finally, it's a goodbye to those sharp-edged windows which started with Windows 8. Now in the maximize option, you get to see a sub-menu showing you that you can resize the window to a preset size and location for an easy multi-window usage. If you try to drag and drop a window to take shape, you will see this blurred thing showing you how much space the window will take if you release it now. This has got a bit more blurry. Earlier in Windows 10, the blur was very less. The Action Center also got a design change. It doesn't seem so huge, but now it actually looks like a proper Action Center and not some leftover prototypes of Android versions. The task view also got a new design. Now you add desktops to the bottom and it looks more appropriately sized. Now coming to some basic changes, starting off with the Windows sounds. Windows sounds have become more calm and pleasing. Unfortunately, I can't make you hear all the sounds, but here is the boot sound. The taskbar doesn't show titles anymore. I don't know why, but there's no setting as well. The settings for the titles are not there anymore. And this is a developer build, so I guess this happened by mistake, that they just removed every other thing you had access by right clicking on the taskbar. Next is the icon that says Widgets, which basically opens the news app showing weather, stock prices, etc. But the point is, why name it widget? You can't drag and drop them onto your desktop, so what's the point? I guess we will get an answer on 24th when Windows 11 releases officially. Next is the Open in Windows terminal. You get to see this option when you right click. This is basically a singular program that lets you open PowerShell windows, Command Prompt windows, and Azure Cloud Shell windows in one program. Obviously, you need to be logged in with your Microsoft Azure account to use Azure Shell, but the point is you can now have these three in one program. The control panel gets some new icons as well if you sort it by category. Although if you sort it by large icons, you will again get to see the icons from previous Windows versions. And last but not the least, the Internet Explorer is no more. They have completely removed it. Although you can find the Internet Explorer files in the C drive, but it won't work. I guess the files will also get deleted in the final build. Rest of the windows is same, no more changes visible to me at least. The speaker, internet icons, etc. everything is same. Settings menu feels the same. Oh, one thing changed. The desktop icons looks good after a long time. If I need to conclude this video in one sentence, then it's so Mac. Jokes apart, this feels very similar to Mac now. The centered taskbar icons, colorful icons, etc. Everything feels very simple and minimal, and very similar to macOS. And these are the changes I found so far in this Windows 11 leaked build. This is a leaked build, so some changes may or may not be there in the official build. And since it is a leaked build, I have not done any performance tests because ultimately no one will install this particular build of Windows, so it is basically a waste of time to do a performance test on this. I will be doing a performance test after the official build releases, and to know about that video, you need to subscribe to my channel right now. And as always, I will be catching you guys in the next one. Until then, peace out.